Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house, and welcome back to the channel. Today, I've got a bunch of knives that we are gonna put on sale, and I'm just gonna go through them really quick, and I wanna show them a little bit more in detail to you, so you can make up your mind if you wanna grab any of those. So I'm just gonna put like a ruler right over here, so you have your reference right there for the size. And this guy, we're gonna start with the Yuna knives. This is a mini Zen M390 blade. You get some carbon fiber bolsters, silver twill carbon fiber scale, heat anodized frame lock side, and custom yin yang pivot for this fella right over here. Next up, we got Heat Seeker right over there from Randy Doucette. We get one in S35 VN steel blade, black Damascus on the bolster and on the pocket clip. Raindrop carbon fiber scales, titanium liners, orange peeled on the outside, jeweled on the inside, anodized blue, Steve Kelly hardware, anodized blue. Fantastic action also on this guy right over here. Next one, we got an artillery. Also from Randy Doucette, pretty cool right over here. Dune Circle cut carbon fiber bolster, bronze snake skin carbon fiber scales. You get some Locky Dama steel blade. Look at that pattern right there. Pocket clip is matching. Steve Kelly pivot and collars and hardware, all anodized bronze. Titanium liners, jeweled on the inside, orange peeled on the outside with some outside edges anodized blue. That's pretty cool. Next one, we're gonna get a cleaver, also from Randy Doucette, Shogun, Alien Damascus bolster, Alien Damascus pocket clip, and floating backspacer, F18 carbon fiber set of scales, anodized blue titanium liners, orange peeled on the outside and the edges, and inside everything is jeweled. Next up, we get to see Randy Doucette, a killer serpent right over here. Oops. All these guys, by the way, are coming mainly with the pouch and the certificate of authenticity. You can check fablades.com for more details. We got a killer serpent right over here with some pretty nice Dama steel blade going on, black Damascus bolster, black Damascus clip and floating spacer, all titanium Steve Kelly hardware. Look at this right over here, blue anodized titanium liners, orange peeled on the outside edges, and jeweled on the inside. The blue is pretty cool right over here. Nice. Next up, what do we get? Let's see, we got a Jim Burke Runt right over here with the Beep edition, custom laser engraved finger pattern on the scales, complex duplex grind, blue anodized in satin blade for this, knife right over here. Next one, we got a Burke and Lightfoot offspring. Look at this guy right over here with Marburg carbon fiber bolster, S35 steel blade, blue twill carbon fiber scales, Steve Kelly hardware. Colors are anodized blue titanium with a black Damascus pocket clip right there. Next up, we get a Burke and Lightfoot ground fighter, marble carbon fiber bolsters. You get S35 VN steel blade, white Juma scale, Steve Kelly hardware. Colors, no. There's anodized blue titanium liners, which are pretty cool, popping right over there. Black Damascus pocket clip right here. And another one we got right over there. Dwayne Carrillo. This is a tunnel rat. This is a big boy, guys. Would you look at that? Full custom black micarta scales, steampunk, one-off hairbrushing on the lock side. So that is a beast of a knife. Next up, we got a couple more right over here. Elijevitz, a tank flipper, titanium bolster, blue twill carbon fiber scales, hand rubbed satin blade with a sculpted clip, like so, of course, gold emblem on the blade for this bad boy. Then we have a Wayne Whitaker Gentleman's Tactical. Would you look at this action right over here? Engerling Mosaic Damascus blade, bolsters and pocket clip. Carbon fiber is marbled for the scales. Back spacer is mirror polished, file worked with marble carbon fiber inlays. Titanium liners are jeweled on the inside. Outside edges have been file worked, orange peeled for a crackled ice finish and have been anodized blue. Would you look at that thing? Then next up we have another couple of pretty cool ones. DB Fraley knives is the Torrent, and it's right over here with Boomerang Damascus recurve blade, Boomerang Mokutai bolsters, Lost Soul engraved pocket clip matching spacer, and marble carbon fiber scales out completing this beautiful piece. Handmade leather pouch is in the mix, as well as it is for this last one, which is the DB Fraley Knives Dagger. Would you look at that, with a full stop edge, sporting a Boomerang Mokutai frame, incredible Boomerang Damascus blade. You got Boomerang Mokutai Lost Soul engraved pocket clip and matching back spacer right over here. That's the side right there. And this is just a quick panoramic, just a quick overview of the knives that are gonna go on sale pretty soon. So check out fablades.com, and thanks for watching and stay tuned.